actually ribbon Royston, or Royston ribbon, and it's basically just a cross section of the turquoise that runs through the host rock that it formed inside of. So when you see a typical turquoise stone, it's usually a vein, that's what these are called, a vein that is thick enough to cut that stone in. So if you imagine this almost being thick enough and then seeing it from the top down, that's what you usually see. But these are, you know, sliced sideways with the crazy little spiderweb veins and splotches everywhere. I think it's beautiful. A lot of people like it. So this is stuff that I mined at the Royston mine a long time ago, and I'm finally getting to cut it. And I needed to back it. So I use JB Weld, and I'm going to show you my process in case you're a silversmith and you want to cut your own stones, or if you're a lapidary and you want to just have a good, reliable, easy, attainable backing for your stones. So check it out. Thanks for watching. Alright, so in order to back turquoise, you're going to need your stones, and then you're going to need wax paper, JB Weld, a styrofoam plate, which I used a little bit earlier today, and a popsicle stick. And pretty soon you'll have them laying out to dry just like these guys. My JB Weld is old and gross, so I'm going to use gloves. But that is the rundown. Now you just let these stones sit there in the JB Weld overnight. By tomorrow, they will have hardened, like this one. And then you'll be able to take this to your rock saw, or just grind it on the 100 wheel, the lowest grit that you have, until you get to the stone, and then you start shaping it as you wish. Once you've done that, and it's to the shape of your stone, you can proceed to cut your stone, and then you're gonna have a very nice shallow backing that doesn't add crazy height or weight to your stone. So it's very nice. And that's one of the stones that I cut. You can see that only certain matrices of the stone, matrices, are actually polished really well, while the rest is a matte finish. And that's just because of the host rock that the turquoise formed in. But that is turquoise backing. Thanks for watching!